Good morning, children. Saturday we have completed everything about the prairies. So, when the books are for correction, that time I have taught you one more lesson. That is what it is? Journey of machines. And before going to the class, I would like to tell you one thing. Fine, you people have submitted the books. I am happy. Most of you wrote right from the beginning. We just got the books only to see whether you people are copying or not. So right from July till now, within a day, complete correction not possible. We wanted to see whether you wrote everything properly or not. Yes, of course, many have written. And few of you, what did you people do? When ma'am sent you the message that you have to submit the books for correction, then they started writing. Only few pages they wrote and here. That is second thing. Third thing is what you know, you people. What did you do? You people did not write the answers for worksheets. We gave worksheets to write the answers, but many of you, and almost nobody wrote the answers, I can say. See, this is not done, children. Please write the answers. Only few children wrote on the paper and submitted them. And now onwards, you people also, whatever worksheets you get, write on the papers and pin them up. When ma'am asks you to get to school for correction, you please give them for correction. This is not done. What is the use of we people sending you the, worksheets? This is not done. So please do write worksheets with the answers. If you don't know, you have a chance. You can refer to the textbook. I gave the note down in the bracket. Please read the lesson and search the answers. Understand? It is your home assignment, nothing else. So now onwards, don't keep the worksheets incomplete without answers. Please do write them with answers. So now I start journey of machines, new words, new terms. We are going to write new terms. The journey of machines. The journey of machines, new terms. You are writing 2 times each. Neatly. And you are reading with me now. First one, civilization. 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 Incident. 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 Activities. 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 ACTIVIES. Activities. Fourth, shovels. 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 METALLIC. 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 Then revolution. 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 Locomotives. 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 Industrial. 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 Accurately. ACCURATLY. Accurately. ACCURATLY. Accurately. ASSEMBLED. 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 ASSEMBLY. 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 Available. AVAIL. ABLE. Available. AVAIL. ABLE. Available. Reservoir. RESCRVIOR. Reservoir. Sorry, ulta. RESCRVOIR. Reservoir. Reservoirs. Hydel power. HYDEL. Hydel. POWER. Power. Hydel power. Hydroelectricity. 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 Battery. 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 GENERATORS. Generators. 18th. COMPLICATED. Complicated. Now we are going to read these words and the remaining after reading this we will write. CIVILIZATION. 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 INCIDENT. 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 ACTIVITIES. 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 SHOVELS. 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 METALLIC. 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 REVOLUTION. 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 LOCOMOTIVES. 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 INDUSTRIAL. 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 STRIAL, industrial. ACCURAT, I'm sorry children, ACCURATELY, accurately. ACCURATELY, accurately. ACCURATELY, accurately. ASSEMBLED, assembled. ASSEMBLED, assembled. ASSEMBLED, assembled. AVAILABLE, available. AVAILABLE, available. AVAILABLE, available. RESCRVOIRS, reservoirs. RESCRVOIRS, reservoirs. SRESCRVOIRS, reservoirs. Hydel power, HYDEL, Hydel, POWER, power. Hydel power, HYDEL, Hydel, POWER, power. Hydel power, HYDRO, hydro, ELE, CTRI, CITY, electricity. Hydroelectricity. HYDRO, hydro, ELE, CTRI, CITY, hydroelectricity. BATTERY, battery. BATTERY, battery. BATTERY, battery. GENERATORS, generators. GENERATORS, generators. COMPLICATED, complicated. COMPLICATED, complicated. Next verse we will write. Nineteenth. Especially. Yes. PECIALLY, especially. ESPECIALLY, especially. Attachments. ATTACH, attachment, attachment. Attachments. 21. Processors. PROCESSORS, processors. Valves. Faucets. Razors. Escalators. Escalators. Elevators. Subway. gasoline. (29) Submarines. Trawlers. Equipment. Mechanical. Microwave. Hydraulic. Hydraulic. Pneumatic. P silent. Wheelbarrows. Harvesting. Last. Automatic. So, we are going to read them now. ESPECIALLY especially. ESPECIALLY especially. ESPECIALLY especially. ATTACHMENTS attachments. ATTACHMENTS attachments. PROCESSORS processors. PROCESSORS processors. PROCESSORS processors. VALVES valves. VALVES valves. VALVES valves. FAUCETS faucets. FAUSETS faucets. FAUSCETS faucets. RAZORS razors. RAZORS razors. RAZORS razors. ESCALATORS escalators. ESCALATORS escalators. ESCALATORS escalators. ELEVATORS elevators. ELEVATORS elevators. ELEVATORS elevators. SUBWAY subway. SUBWAY subway. SUBWAY subway. GASOLINE gasoline. GASOLINE gasoline. GASOLINE gasoline. SUBMARINES submarines. SUBMARINES, submarines. SUBMARINES, submarines. TRALERS, trawlers. TRAWLERS, trawlers. TRAWLERS, trawlers. EQUIPMENTS, equipments. EQUIPMENTS, equipments. EQUIPMENTS, equipments. MECHANICAL, mechanical. MECHANICAL, mechanical. MECHANICAL, mechanical. MICROVAVE, microwave. MICROVAVE, microwave. MICROVAVE, microwave. HYDRAULI, hydraulic. HYDRAULIC, hydraulic. HYDRAULIC, hydraulic. HYDRAULIC, hydraulic. PNEUMATIC, pneumatic. P is silent. We are writing but we are not reading its sound. PNEUMATIC, pneumatic. PNEUMATIC, pneumatic. WHEEL, wheel. BARROWS, barrows, wheelbarrows. WHEEL, wheel. BARROWS, barrows, wheelbarrows. WHEEL, wheel. BARROWS, barrows, wheelbarrows. HARVESTING, harvesting. HARVESTING, harvesting. HARVESTING, harvesting. AUTOMATIC, automatic. AUTOMATIC, automatic. AUTOMATIC, automatic. So these are 38 new terms. Please read them properly. Write each one 2 times in your notebook. Be prompt, sincere in doing the work. That will help you to learn. So here I stop for today. Tomorrow I will continue with new topic. Thank you.